Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Cherish what you have. A moral story: find good in everything. A horse stayed with his owner. His owner used to take him to the market to sell off all the produce from his farm. In winter, the horse had no work and stayed in the barn. But it was cold and he had to eat dry grass. He thought, "I hope spring comes soon. I will eat fresh grass." When spring arrived, the horse was upset because he had to carry heavy loads of wheat on his back. Then he prayed for summer, as there would be less work. The summer arrived soon, but it was too hot for the horse to relax. The horse became very sad. He stopped eating and hoped that autumn would be better. But his owner began taking him to the market twice a day in autumn because there was more produce to sell. The horse thought, "I hated the winter last year. But now I realize that I must enjoy a little bit of every season."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.